Hey YouTube, it's Dimitri, and today we're on this 97 Subaru Legacy. I keep getting a knock sensor check engine light here. When I mean I keep getting it, I've just had it for a while and I haven't got around to fixing it. Had a hard time finding it. Anyways, I'm going to show you guys where it's at real quick. You got your air intake here, right? You have basically the ignition here, the coil. These are the throttle cables. When I pull the gas, it's cable driven. If you go straight down from here, like right in here, that's where the knock sensor's at. It is right down here. It's hard to see, it's hard to get to. I'm gonna take all this off real quick, see if we can get in there and pull it out. I'm not a fan of just replacing them just because you have an error. Let's see if we can get this out, test it, and then see if it's bad, and if so, we'll replace it. If not, we might have a more serious issue with the engine. I don't know if you can see this or not, but this little tiny wire down here, it reaches all the way down here. Down in there is where the knock sensor is. All right, it looks like I'm gonna need a kind of a bending head ratchet, a short, probably a 2-inch extension, and I believe it's gonna be a 12-inch socket. See if we can get in there. As you saw, I can't reach through here with the tall extension. There's really not a lot of space in here, but you can barely get this. Maybe you get a long socket, a tall socket to fit in here, and it is a 12mm. This is the engine driver's side. You come in here, and yes, that bolt right there that I'm kind of hitting, right, that bolt and this piece on here, that round thing, that is the knock sensor. And I apologize for the sound today. I'm sure it's awful with this wind, but this is the only time I've got in the last few months to fix this. And there you go. All right, and before we go test it, I'm just gonna show you guys, it looks great on the outside here, but when you flip it over, it's got a lot of crud. So we're gonna clean all this up as well, maybe with some light sandpaper. We'll test it, see if it's good, and then we'll put it back in.